Open the Start menu and type cmd, and run the command prompt as administrator. The first step is to run the chkdsk command. This will check your hard drive for errors and fix any issues. Type chkdsk and hit enter. You'll be asked if you want to schedule the disk check for the next time your system restarts. Type Y and press enter. The next step, type the following command, scannow, and hit enter. It may take some time to finish. Wait for the scan to complete. This might take some time, so be patient. Once it's done, restart your computer. The chkdsk utility will run before Windows boots up, and it might take a while, so sit tight. After the process completes, your system should boot up normally, and the Kernel32.dll error should be fixed. And that's it, with just these two simple commands. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.